This, 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 wait, no, and this. And today I'm going to be drawing boyfriend and girlfriend from Friday Night Funkin. Let's get started. First I'm going to be drawing boyfriend. Maybe a bit higher. Now I'm going to be drawing his eyes and his smile. And now we just finished drawing his ear. Now we're going to work on his hair. And let's work on the rest of his hair. Why I like boyfriend is because he's cool. And so how he's cool is that the way he dyed his hair with my favorite color blue, even though it's cyan, I still like it because it's a type of blue. And the way he used the backwards hat, and yeah. I really enjoy Friday Night Funkin' because it's a rhythm game and it's awesome music. And so, I really just like to headbang when I hear the music. Anyways, we're drawing boyfriend's backwards, very tall and high cap. And now we're gonna draw this part of his hat. Now you're gonna draw the inside. Now we're gonna go draw a boyfriend's shirt. We're gonna draw the big, well, incorrect thingy that he has on his shirt. Incorrect sign that he has on his shirt. Now we're gonna draw his hand in his pocket. Like this. We're actually gonna still need that, but now we're gonna get a dark blue and work on his pants. Okay, now we got that down, we're gonna do this. Now we've done his pants, we are now working on his shoes. Oh, we're gonna need this again because we're gonna do that. And make this a little bit bigger. Okay, anyways, now we're gonna work back on his shoes like this. Now we're gonna color in his shoe. Okay, now we're working on the other shoe. Time to color it in. Time to get the blue once again. Now we're gonna draw a boyfriend holding the mic. I don't think you can really see this, but I tried my best drawing that thumb. It's right over here. Now we're gonna be drawing the microphone in his hand. Now we are going to draw a girlfriend. So I'm gonna pull out the things that I actually need. That fell. I'm gonna pick that up. It fell right at my shoulders. I mean, right in my hands. Anyways, let's start drawing girlfriend. I am going to do the tutorial, la 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 la. Okay, that was probably off topic, I'm sorry. Anyways, now that that is finished, we're gonna do this. We're gonna draw a girlfriend's mouth. Princess Roosevelt plunk inside. Maybe it would have been better if I just drew the whole entire thing peach before I started using black. No worries. Now it's time to use brand marker. Anyways, like this. And girlfriend's hair to me is just a mess. Anyways, trying to work on the girlfriend's dress. It just feels weird that they have no names. And you call them by boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah. To me, it just feels weird. Left, right. She wears high heels. In the game, she just bobs her head to the music. And that's all. Bobbing her head. Gonna do her other arm. And now I'm gonna be drawing the boombox that she stands on. It's huge. Let's just say that boyfriend is in front of her, so it doesn't look big. Anyways. Now we are officially done with the boombox. And we're gonna work on this hair, her hair. Anyways, it's kind of glitched into the boombox, but okay. So every time that I get myself jammed into her hair, I'm just gonna draw it. I'm just gonna black outline this, and yeah, we're smooth. Anyway, she has very, very, very messed up hair. If you think this is bad, then you should check out her mom's hair. Anyways, now I'm just gonna try to draw a mess than it looks like. I didn't just randomly just let it be white and stuff. Yep, good enough. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. All created David, and I hope you enjoyed the video.